the word state. To express or declare something clearly. State the facts, state your opinion, state the rules. Please state the facts without exaggeration. He didn't hesitate to state his opinion on the matter. The teacher will state the rules at the beginning of the class. A condition or situation of something. In a good state, in a poor state, in a critical state. The house is in a good state. Everything is in order. After the accident, the car was in a poor state and needed repairs. He was in a critical state after the surgery and required immediate care. A political division or region, state government, state laws, state rights. The state government will fund the new project. Different state laws apply depending on where you live. They debated whether state rights should supersede federal authority. To mention or specify officially. State a policy, state the time, state the reasons. The company will state its policy on refunds next week. Can you state the time for the meeting? She will state the reasons for her decision during the presentation. A mental or emotional condition. Mental state, emotional state, physical state. He was in a fragile mental state after the news. She was in an upbeat emotional state all week. The long journey left him in a tired physical state. A country or nation, formal context. Sovereign state, member state, independent state. The sovereign state has the right to govern itself without external interference. He is a representative of his member state at the United Nations. The country became an independent state after many years of colonial rule.